Let's quickly check that we have included our Bootstrap CSS and Bootstrap JS JavaScript files. That file are included correctly or not, and for that, so let's include these files in our welcome. That we have a welcome file, and here we will include link reference is slash css. Under that css we have a bootstrap dot css, and the relation is style sheet. And for script, so use script, and script sources which is under js root js, and we have a bootstrap dot js. Save it. So under public we have a css bootstrap dot css, and under a js folder, so we have a bootstrap dot js. So save it and come to the browser, refresh it, and control U to check the files are included. So this one is the bootstrap.css and this is the bootstrap.js. So click on bootstrap.css. All the CSS you can see is under our file, and we can see our bootstrap.js. So click on it. So this is the minified bootstrap.js is also included, and we can use it by function. So not yet, and before. So one is thing is left, which is a jQuery, and let's quickly include our jQuery. So go to Google and search it to jQuery to find the latest version of jQuery. So jQuery, mm, jQuery, download jQuery, and here we will see jQuery, download the compressed. So it's depend on you, either you want to uncompressed or compressed. So if you are going to live your application to make it public, so make sure that you have all the minified css and minified javascript and minified jQuery. So this application is in under a development process, so maybe I can use it as a development, so it's uncompressed version. But when you make your application live, so you have to do all the minified version of CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. So in development, we can use uncompressed, unminified. So because this is the point of SEO. So when we do SEO of web application or website, so this is the point which is used in SEO, that all the files should be minified or compressed version. So otherwise, maybe it's one of the little factor of SEO that includes in ranking sector. Okay, download compressed. Okay, let's go with the compressed, or we can use. Okay, let's download 3.3.1. So copy it, select all, copy it, Control C, come to our browse, our web editor. So under JS, and create a new file. So save it and name it jQuery.js. So and paste it all the data that we have copy from it. So save it, and we can check our jQuery. So we have to include our Java in a welcome file. So close it this file and come to our welcome, and let's before JavaScript include. I'm using duplicating this file, this line, Control and select, Control Shift D, it will duplicate and it will make JS. So jQuery.js, save it, come to the browser, refresh, and press Control U to verify it. So jQuery, click on your file jQuery. So all the files is now included. Great. Okay, close it. So in the next, we will include our favicon image and include the favicon.